not playing. We're opening toys. Yeah, I know. I saw them. They're so cute. Ella, next one.
Yeah, there's more over there. Ella, say cheese.
Mine too.
Katrina.
Yay.
That, wait.
That does seem
Go give this to your mother.
Here you go. Here you go. Ella, there you go. Here you go.
What was mine?
There's one, purple. Yours.
Get a good picture of this, babe.
I want to get a picture of the inside, Josh, before they take it apart. It's gonna die now.
I know, right? I saw it. I was like, oh my god.
Come over here, babe.
We have a scissors at home.
I was like, she's probably never gonna wear it though.
Watch out.
Put it on the wall.
She's recording.
You told me to come over here.
Because there's a better angle here.
Dad, Josh.
Well, Nikki's getting it, right?
Does it have, does it need, what kind of battery does it take?
Right here.
Because I have two double. Nikki,
I
smile.
got you too, Alabama.
I got it. Well,
There's Duracells in there.
Open this
No,
up.
that one, you're on your own.
Gosh.
Kid. That's the fun of Christmas time.
How many?
Two.
Where's your armpit?
if you could just get a picture, Josh, of one side of
Haley,
it
smile.
That's
before
fine.
they take them apart. Here, let Nanny help you get that.
Wait, Dan. Let's wait for the batteries.
Oh, okay.
Oops.
Oops.
Sorry. Well, let's deck man
I'm not very good of a drawer.
But, you know, I couldn't figure out how to put them in. I couldn't find the directions. I'm going, when it died, I'm going, and I put them in, but it's been so long.
Do you have a good angle now? Well, then go by Patrick then.
Hold on, they're finding scissors. Aren't they?
Yeah. There's scissors in our bathroom.
Jason got a knife? Go ahead. Haley, smile.
Got 'em?
Haley,
Oh.
All right, girls.
what is that, Ella?
What is that?
Is that a monkey?
Whoa.
Oh, babe, get a picture of the inside.
Yeah, before they grab them apart. I got one of the Ella's, but only on my stupid camera.
I'm not in anybody's way, right? All right, who's gonna open one up first? Hold on, Haley. Hold on.
What's in there?
Let me take a picture first.
That one got it. Yeah, I don't think it's probably all squished by now. Yeah, don't worry about it, Josh. It's all mixed up.
I got it.
Babe, help her. Babe, open, Ella.
What is it? Oh! Oh, it's so cute.
So adorable.
What is that, Ella? Wait, hold on.
Ella, or Haley, open up your blanket.
I got it.
Open it, Ella.
There's three.
Oh, man, that's so cute.
Little
What is that? I wanted to make a blanket for me.
Here, Ella.
Ella, look at the blanket.
Oh, and a little monkey guy. Isn't that cute?
There you go.
Ella, did you see your blanket?
Look at your blanket, Ella.
Look.
Ella, who's on the blanket?
Is there another present for me?
And there's your soap. Did you get your soap? Did you look in there for your soap?
Ella, look at the blanket.
Did you see your blanket, Haley? Yep, there's your soap. And
Ella.
Did you see your blanket with
that
your
was
name
my
on it?
Do we have the same soap? I think she took my soap.
Here's how your animals look. Look.
Where's yours? There you
I
go.
have a kitty.
That's purple. You
Remember
made
when you
it.
picked out the material for it?
Wait,
Got the pattern?
you made it? Yeah. Oh, I thought you bought them.
No.
I thought they were like pillow pets.
Present for me?
Yeah, they almost look like them, except they're cuter. They go around your neck. So.
Didn't mean it.
That's awesome.
Can I just take this?
Yeah, animals.
Nikki, it's your turn.
Oh.
Well, you didn't open my
Yeah, they turned out.
fridge.
It was
Okay,
just
no
harder
one's
to
opened
tell
mine.
you the head on. The rest of it
Is
was
there
good.
a present
But
for
that
me?
head
Is there another present? Yep, there's plenty.
Steph?
What? Took a long time to get the head on.
For me.
Holy, what is this?
There's a
I don't know.
lot for me.
Yeah, cute.
Time to open it
for me?
and see.
Ella, look at your blanket.
Wait, what is
Patrick's
this?
is up there.
No, his fell, remember?
Oh, you make that ugly face. It's up there, isn't it?
Is it, I don't know if if it's breakable.
Oh, as I shake it. I just see what it is. Yeah, man, you're cool.
His is up there.
Oh, that's from the man cheese. Oh, yay! Someone listen to me.
Well, that's why I kind of wanted to get the picture.
Someone listen to my gift. And Dawn said this wasn't right.
Woo! Who's bingo and game?
I got my wet jet dryers, man.
Let me take a picture.
Got you those.
Don?
What's this? My favorite movie.
Where'd you get that from? Who gave you this?
Nikki.
Get everybody. Let me see, Haley. Show me.
Thanks, Nick.
Haley.
Josh.
Haley,
so
let's
happy.
see it.
Haley.
Haley, show Josh. Josh wants a picture with it. Put it right here in your
Right
tummy.
here.
Ella, look.
Smile.
Look what I got.
Oh, say thanks, Mom.
Look it, I got cleaners.
Nikki.
She's like,
Nikki's too.
No.
It's for Nikki.
oh, yay, I'm popular.
Jason, sir? One pad cleans 2 rooms. It's only used for 2 uses unless the house. Haley, that's for you. I'm so excited about this. Oh, this is for you too. It's from Ella. Here, big boy. Trina. Okay, if I had a face, she won't do it.
Hit her.
No.
Go ahead.
Is this from you? Yeah, it's for you right here.
Yeah. Didn't I put anything in?
Hi, Steph.
Haley, it's for you too.
They're big,
There,
baby.
show me.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he got that. Oh my God, I better check Keith.
What did he do?
No worries. Well,
Oh,
obviously,
thank you,
Did he go to the Christmas present? He took Patrick's gift card.
Money.
Wow. Let's not talk about the video.
Look at what I got you, what Ella got you. Show your father what Ella got you.
When he started calling
Dad.
Haley. Oh, yay.
happy feet, baby.
Oh, that's a new package.
I know, Ella picked him out.
Nikki. Does it automatically save it? Yeah. For you, from us. Open. Who's this? This is Haley. Ella got that for you. Thank you, Josh, Ella.
Josh,
Got
I have the camera too.
Ella, this is for you, big girl. Thumbs up. You are welcome.
We'll let Ella open them.
There you go.
She doesn't have any trouble.
That's what was supposed to be in there.
Open it, Ella.
She doesn't have any problems opening.
Oh my.
Open.
This is for Ella, too?
Oh boy, she's getting good.
This is for Ella, too? This sauce. Well, that's why I asked him. He's like, no
Nikki,
problem.
what's that for?
Well, I'm not letting her go until.
Nan.
Nan,
He wants to let go until. Or not to call him until.
that's creepy. Who's to bingo from game? I got you more stuff.
Oh, that's our bingo game. That's the prize for whoever wins in bingo.
Oh.
To Ella.
I'm
opening it. I don't understand.
That's your granddaughter.
She's been practicing.
Oh, let me
I
see.
got that for you.
Let me see. Sorry, my big head.
Oh,
That's mine.
thank you.
Hey, this is for you. What? It's just a big box. Steph, this is so awesome.
Let me see.
It really is.
Let me see.
So awesome.
Aww.
Oh, this one's for you, too.
Happy
Hi, Dawn and Jim.
Yes! Josh and Nikki.
Oh,
For me,
nice.
that's good.
Just
For you.
what I wanted.
What is it? Yeah, we wrapped this one.
Where's the thing to put? Now we have a place.
Wait, because I have to see what she's getting for her birthday and what I'm giving her for.
1, 2, 3.
I'm so surprised.
Yeah, you were there, weren't you?
Ella.
I said, God, I need one of these. Huh?
Oh my god, Nan. Are you gonna cry? Are you gonna cry? Look, Nan, more fun for you.
I told you you were going to like what she got you.
I'm like gonna cry right now.
That's why.
Nan, isn't a beautiful book, isn't it? I was so
My friend in
impressed when I
Germany
got
got it a
Josh,
while
for
ago,
you.
and she took pictures for it just to rub it in my
Oh, this
face.
is the one for
Hi, Pat.
Hola.
Well, we now have the thing to open the plastic crap.
The hard plastic?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That only Josh can open.
Oh, there's one more
Thank
for Josh.
you.
K14, thank you.
You guys love me.
There's
fishing shirt.
Oh, yeah.
You
There's
make
two
them
of those.
feel
Some of
Oh
that.
my gosh, yeah, those are good.
Oh, yeah, give me some. High five.
Let's see it, Haley. Hold on, show me.
Oh my god.
Only one of those
Oh my
things on every
god. It's cute,
Oh my
huh? I'm gonna cry.
Oh, yes, the wind.
Show me.
Wonder. Thank you.
I win. Dad, look.
What is it?
I win the competition in the world.
What does it say?
Dances though no one's watching. Love it though.
Ah,
Never loved
look
before.
at-
Sing it though no one
Oh,
can see you.
Oliver and Company.
Alright, let's see here.
Yeah, catch.
You gotta help her take that card.
I know, now never guess what it is.
Never would have guessed.
Oh my god, Katrina! Oh my god. Oh my god! We were just talking about this in the freaking car.
Ella, what do you have?
Cherries. I didn't even wrap it. Look on the sides. It wasn't even wrapped.
Our tradition is to get these cherries and
I got another
well, no,
one.
they're.
You got another one?
The cherries, because I got so used to
Babe,
the
look at
dark,
Baby, is that one Beauty and the
chocolate.
Beast?
Where'd you guys get
Oh my
that?
gosh, you have like
I know, I told her to get it.
Josh, where'd you get these boxes? There's a hoodie. There's also these cute boxes.
Walmart, $1.50.
Afterward, I was just
Yeah.
Yeah! What?
I feel so sick after each one of them.
Haley.
I can't believe I put myself
Hi.
in that one.
That goes with all the work.
There you go. That's what I do.
This is for her birthday.
My grandma.
What's in here, Mom?
Aww!
You better watch.
So cute.
What's in there?
Let me see it.
Oh, that's so
Haley, this is
cute.
from Maria.
Yes, it looks like.
I want that for my room.
Ella, let me
You
see
better,
it.
yeah, she's gonna have it all.
Hey, look, take out the shirt. See what it
Show
says.
it,
We're all moving.
show it to Daddy.
Patrick.
What's it say?
Show Daddy.
Born to...
Oh, that's
Let me see, Ella.
Dude, look
Show
at
Mommy.
Chipmunk.
Born to
Oh, that's so
smile.
cute.
Look at that.
Look, Haley.
And the fishing line.
Really, Mommy is
Born
like
to
that.
smile. Look at smile.
Check out the weight pepper.
They get you.
This is from Maria.
What?
Grab that from her, babe, before she messes it.
Here, Josh.
Don't forget to sign it.
It's a Dora. It's a Dora robe for little Mexican babies.
I'm gonna go check.
Hey, hold this up so I can take a picture of
Oh, you
Maria.
want to put a rainbow on it? You're so cool.
Let me see your teeth.
What's rainbow mean?
Look at me. Look at me. Wait,
Oh,
wait,
you got the
wait,
chain on it.
wait, wait.
They're not gonna
It's
believe
the only
that.
thing I can afford. And I'm really, well, I like painting, so. Are you
Babe,
checking?
babe,
Yes, love.
can you take that candy cane from her, please?
Yeah. Let me see candy. Thank you, baby.
And the one in her hand. She can have it
Thank
after.
You gotta finish open presents first, Ella.
Tell Ella, tell everybody thank you.
There, you got more presents right there.
You're welcome.
Say thank you.
Stockings, like-
Say thank you, Ella.